pleasure of my passion spent. Cars are tired, your body's bent, my body's broken, yours is dead. Carve your name into my arms, instead of stress I lie her charm. Cause there's nothing else to do, every me and every you. Looking through, I chose up to another box I choose for you. Other love I would abuse, no circumstances would excuse. In the shape of things to come, too much poison come undone. Cause there's nothing else to do, every me and every you. Every me and every you, every me. Sucker lovers, heaven send, my pucker up your passion send. Cars are tired, your body's bent, my body's broken, yours is bent. Carve your name into my arm, instead of stress I lie her charm. Cause there's nothing else to do, every me and every you. Every me and every you, every me. Crooked tell my Lord I choose, no other box I choose for you. On this one I love by tears, it's there but so much for us say. In the shape of things to come, too much poison come undone. Cause there's nothing else to do, every me and every you. Every me and every you, every me. Every me and every you, every me. Sucker lovers, body stakes, not what a first, not for the stake. Reaching so I know one stay. In a few weeks I will get time to realize right before my eyes, and I can take it if this is what I want to do. And I can stretch it, and I can practice it, and realize it's right before my eyes, and I can take it. Is this what I want to do? And I can tell it's what you want. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. Well, I can tell it's what you know. You just know that the whole time. You just know that the whole time. Maybe next year I will have time to treat the threat, the crimes that I confess. Every dog says, is this what I want to do? And I will catch it, never presses, realize it's right before my eyes, and I confess that, is this what I want to do? I can tell it's what you want. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. I can tell it's what you know. You just know that the whole time. You just know that the whole time. Monday and Wednesday to a Thursday, I don't care about you. It's Friday, I'm in love. Things turning all the time. Tuesday, Wednesday breaks my heart.